In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted funnel in GoHighLevel. If you've ever accidentally deleted a funnel, you know how stressful that moment can be. Maybe it was a client project, a high converting sequence, or something you spent hours building. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly what you can and can't do inside GoHighLevel and how to get in touch with the right person to see if your funnel can be brought back. First, make sure you're logged in and go to your GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your main home base, where you see your location, pipelines, campaigns, and so on. From here, many people look for an undo button or a recycle bin for funnels, but at the time of recording, there isn't a reliable built-in way to restore deleted funnels directly from the interface. That means, if a funnel has been removed, you can't just click around the funnel section and expect to find a restore option. Instead, the only realistic path to recovering a deleted funnel is to get in touch with GoHighLevel support and let them check on their side whether it's possible. To do that, start by looking for the help icon on your dashboard. This is usually located in the bottom corner of the screen or along the navigation area, and it may appear as a small question mark or help symbol. Go ahead and click on that help icon. This opens up GoHighLevel support options, where you can access resources and contact their team. Once the help menu is open, you'll see different ways to get assistance. For this situation, you'll want something more direct than browsing articles. Click on the option labeled Video Call. This is GoHighLevel's way of connecting you live with a support representative so you can explain exactly what happened. After you click on Video Call, you'll be connected with a real human from the support team. When they join, clearly explain that you deleted a specific funnel and you'd like to know if it can be recovered. Be as detailed as you can, mention which account or location you were in, roughly when it was deleted, and the name of the funnel if you remember it. The more precise you are, the easier it will be for them to investigate. From there, the support person will walk you through what's possible on their end. While recovery isn't always guaranteed, this is the only effective route to check whether your deleted funnel can be restored in GoHighLevel.